Hey everyone, I'm Emma, and this is my younger brother Tom. Morning. Today I want to share my morning routine with you. Everyone has different habits in the morning, right? Some people are early birds, they love mornings. Others, not so much.
Here, sweetie.
I'm definitely not a morning person. We know, Tom.
No thanks.
Okay, let's get started. My alarm goes off at 6:30 in the morning. I know, that sounds early. But I've learned that waking up early gives me more time to prepare for the day. The first thing I do is stretch a little. It helps my body wake up. Then I get out of bed and open the curtains. Natural light really helps me feel more awake. Some people hit the snooze button many times. I used to do that too. But now I try to get up right away. What about you? Do you wake up easily? Or do you need a few alarms? Next, I go to the bathroom to freshen up. First, I brush my teeth. This usually takes about 2 minutes. After that, I wash my face with cold water. It feels a bit shocking at first, but it really wakes me up. Ah, cold but refreshing. How are you so awake already? Practice, Tom. It gets easier over time, I promise. Do you prefer warm water or cold water in the morning? Personally, cold water works best for me. Now it's time to get dressed. I usually pick out my clothes the night before. It saves time in the morning, and I don't have to think too much. Today I'm wearing a white blouse and my favorite jeans. I like to keep it simple but neat. Looking good. Well, good enough for work. Here's a small tip. If you prepare your clothes before you go to bed, your morning will be much smoother. Trust me on this one. Breakfast is really important to me. They say it's the most important meal of the day, and I believe it. I usually make something quick but healthy, like eggs and toast. And of course, I need my morning coffee. I can't function without coffee. It's become a habit. I just have cereal. It's fast and easy. That works too. The important thing is that you eat something before you start your day. Skipping breakfast makes me tired and unfocused. What do you usually have for breakfast? Something quick? Or do you like to cook? All right, it's almost 8 o'clock. Time to head out. I always check that I have everything before I leave. Phone, wallet, keys, bag. I've forgotten my keys before, and it was a disaster. Bye, Tom. Don't be late for class. Yeah. Have a good day. And just like that, I'm ready to start my day. The whole routine takes me about an hour and a half. Okay, let's do a quick review. Here's what we learned today. Wake up and get out of bed. Freshen up, brush your teeth and wash your face. Get dressed and pick out your outfit. Make breakfast and have your coffee or tea. And finally, head out to start your day. See, mornings aren't that hard. Says the guy who was half asleep 10 minutes ago. Fair point. Try using some of these phrases in your own life. Practice makes perfect. Bye for now. See you next time.